2013 DRV Mobile Suites 38DK for sale in Gilmanton, New Hampshire 03237. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2013 DRV Mobile Suites 38DK. This luxury fifth wheel is 40 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 4 slides with awnings and 1 large awning, as well as a hydraulic self-leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2013 DRV Mobile Suites 38DK is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burner gas cooktop and OvenGE convection MicrowaveResidential refrigerator/freezer double kitchen SinkDinetteElectric FireplaceTelevisionSurround SoundDVD/CD/ StereoSofa SleeperLarge bathroom with ShowerWasher/dryer IncludedMaster king-size BedCedar ClosetMore ride HitchThermopane Windows 16-gallon gas/electric Water HeaterDual A C, 1 with heat 40,000 BTUs gas HeaterThree heated storage TanksDual BatteriesDual 40 pounds propane tanks and much more. This 2013 DRV Mobile Suites 38DK is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2013 DRV Mobile Suites 38DK fifth wheel can be yours.